Hey there, welcome back to AI Code King. Who doesn't love getting something for free, right? That's why I've covered multiple free alternatives to premium tools on my channel. However, most of the time, these free alternatives don't quite live up to our expectations. Especially when it comes to AI, most open source models we find online are massive and require powerful GPUs to run them. For instance, running LLaMa 3 requires a high-end 3090 GPU, which is obviously not something everyone can afford. And if you know me, you'd know that I'm one of those people who can't afford such luxury. So, even if I have to suffer through slow processing speeds of 4 tokens per second, it seems like a better option to me than shelling out $20 a month for ChatGPT. But ever since Microsoft launched their Phi-3 mini model, which can apparently even run on a phone, I've been eager to build a chatbot that you can use with Phi-3 and also summarize documents and URLs with it, just like ChatGPT. And this time, I won't have to suffer through slow processing speeds anymore. Having a reliable and efficient AI model, like Phi-3, is a game changer for those who can't afford high-end GPUs or expensive subscription services. With Phi-3, you can run AI models on your phone or even a low-end computer, which is incredible. So, that's exactly what we'll be doing today. We'll be using a Streamlit interface combined with Phi-3, which will be served via LLaMa. The Phidata repo has an excellent Streamlit cookbook, so we'll be following along with that. Now, let's get started. First, go to the Phidata repo and clone it. Once you've done that, come back to the GitHub page and open the path I've opened here. You'll find the steps you need to follow to set up Phi-3 with Streamlit. But before you follow the steps, make sure you have LLaMa installed. To install it, simply go to LLaMa's website, choose your operating system, and follow the installation instructions. Once you have LLaMa installed, come back and let's proceed. Copy the command and paste it into your terminal. Now, once Phi-3 is installed, send a hi message and check if it's working. Okay, it's working. Now, the next command is to install an embedding model. Just copy and run it, and it will get installed. Next, you'll need to have Python installed. So, make sure you have that. Otherwise, you can go to the Python website and get it installed from there. Anyway, copy both of these commands and paste them. This will create a virtual environment. Next, run this command, and it will install the libraries needed for this Streamlit app to function. Moving forward, this command requires you to have Docker installed. If you don't have Docker installed, go to the Docker website and follow their steps to get it installed. Once you've installed Docker, copy this command and paste it into your terminal. Next, use this command to run the application. As soon as you run this command, the application will open up. You can select Phi-3 from the model dropdown. You can chat with it even without any URL or document, and it will give you correct answers. Okay, now let's try to use this Verge article about Phi-3 and ask it to summarize it. Okay, it does it within minutes. Pretty cool. Let's also try this research paper. Okay, it summarizes it pretty well. I think this is a great alternative that you can use to chat with documents, URLs without using the internet, and all for free. Plus, it can run on most computers with this new Phi-3 model. Let me know if you liked this too in the comments. Also, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.